ọba títí ayé lọ péré adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ fún ètò terminus tí ọ̀gá wa olóríire Olúwaṣèyí Mákindé tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó sì wá sí ṣíṣe ayẹyẹ fún ṣíṣí rẹ̀ lónìí. Gbogbo àwa tá a wá lónìí á délé wa láyọ̀ àti ìrọ̀rùn. Èyí kò ní jẹ́ òpin. A kí gbogbo ẹni tó wá, gbogbo ẹni tí ọmọ wọkọ̀ níbí yìí àti ẹni tí ọmọ darí síbí yìí, àní kòkònà ìkònà òní kò wá. Ifá ní bí iná bá kú ọ̀dọ̀wọ́ fẹ́náfẹ́ná, bóòrùn ọ̀rànà ọ̀dọ̀wọ́ Olódùmarè. Adírábárìnà ká kí ìsàwó lọ lùmọ̀gbó. Àwọn ọ̀tá wọn láyé ọ̀yàn wọn lè rà ọ̀rá. Ifá láyé òní yẹn ẹnìkankan. Àtẹ̀tí ọmọ ṣiṣẹ́ ń bì yìí, àtẹ̀tí ọmọ wọkọ̀ ń bì yìí, ayé òní yẹn ẹnìkankan wá. Èèrà òní rà wá. Ẹni ayẹyẹ ní kúsójì rérú. Ẹni ìrárá ní sùn lágbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀. Àní kúsójì rérú, àní sùn lágbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀. Bóòrùn bá ràn láàárọ̀, bó bá dìrọ̀lẹ́ yóò padà lé bàbá rẹ̀ lọ. Àtàlọ àtàbọ̀ ni yóò mọ̀ dára. Wíwí ni tèmi, Olódùmarè ló láṣẹ. Yóò fàṣẹ gbọ́, yóò fàṣẹ gbà, yóò mú wọlé àṣẹ. Torí mo béèrè nípasẹ̀ òjíṣẹ́ mímọ́ àkọ́kọ́ Ọ̀rúnmìlà rárá àgbọ̀nìyàn. Ẹ̀làbọ̀rú, ẹ̀làbọ̀yì, ẹ̀làbọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́.
Pásítọ̀. Ìtìsẹ́yìn aṣèyìn lọ́ba. Adúpẹ́ fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ tá a tún rí gbà fún ọjọ́ òní. Àti fún ohun ńlá tí ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run àlàyé ń ṣe ní stéètì wa. Adúpẹ́ fún ọgbọ́n tẹ fún ẹni tí ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run ń lò láti darí stéètì ọ̀gá wa Gómìnà Ṣèyí Mákindé. Adúpẹ́ fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ tí ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run fi fún wọn. Adúpẹ́ fún àánú tí wọ́n rí gbà. Adúpẹ́ fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ tí ò lẹ́gbẹ́. Adúpẹ́ fún àtìlẹ́yìn yín. Adúpẹ́ fún bàbá wa Ọbásanjọ́ tí wọ́n lè fẹsẹ̀ wọn rìn wá láàrin wa. Ariwo inú wa tún dùn. Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣé o. Adúpẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe agbátẹrù àkóso stéètì yìí. Ọlọ́run Ísírẹ́lì ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀. A dá gbogbo ògo padà sí ọ̀dọ̀ yín. Ọlọ́run lẹ́yìn tí a ṣe yìí, a fà á lé yín lọ́wọ́ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ dé àárín dé òpin. Abẹ́kẹ̀ gba gbogbo ògo, abẹ́kẹ̀ gba gbogbo ìṣàkóso, abẹ́kẹ̀ jẹ́rìí ara yín láàrin wa. Ọlọ́run Ísírẹ́lì, èyí àti ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ la béèrè. Ẹ ṣe fún wa ju ìbéèrè wa lọ. Jésù Olúwa wa, àmín.
Mẹ́ta láyé, àárọ̀, ọ̀sán, alẹ́.
ولم يكن له شريك في الملك ولم يكن له ولي من الذل فكبره تكبيرا. lápapọ̀ subhanallah walhamdulillah wala ilaha illallah allahu akbar allahu akbar allahu akbar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Olúwa wa aláàánú jùlọ, olóore ọ̀fẹ́, aládìpẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀san. Ọlọ́lá jùlọ gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹnjìnìà Olúwaṣèyí Abíọ́dún Mákindé fún ètò títòní tọ́lọ́ tún ní kó tún wáyé bí àná níjọ́ tí gómìnà fi ìpínlẹ̀ bí lélẹ̀ wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní yíyọrí ẹ̀ ó tún ṣojú ẹ̀mí wọn. Eléyìí náà jẹ́ ìkan nínú àwọn oríṣiríṣi àṣeyọrí tí ọlọ́lá jùlọ gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ti ṣe. Abẹ́ Ọlọ́run, ibùdó ìgbòrò, ibùdó ọkọ̀ tí a tún ṣí lónìí, Ọlọ́run má ṣe ní ìbálẹ́jọ́ ọkọ̀ fún wa, má ṣe ní ààyè bú gbogbo èèyàn tí ó máa nájà bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ní ààyè ìdùnnú. Bákan náà láti ṣàdúrà fún olórí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lánàá, bàbá wa Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́, fún àǹfààní tọ́lọ́run tún fún wọn láti wà ń bì. Abẹ́ Ọlọ́run, ìdùnnú yín Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ó kalẹ̀. Gbogbo orí adé ẹ̀rùn lẹ́kẹ̀ tí gbogbo wa jọ wà ń bì lónìí, Ọlọ́run mọ́ṣá ìdúró tí ó ń kálukú wa. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ti dá, àárín ẹ̀jẹ̀ ó dùn, ìyọrísí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ó dá. Al-Fatiha. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. صلوا على النبي الكريم.
Kí gómìnà tó.
Of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Olusegun Makinde, FNSC, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Bayo, the Speaker of Oyo State House of Assembly, and please permit me to stand on the existing protocol. This is the day the Lord has made, and we are indeed glad to witness this historic day. I remember some years back when we came for the flag off of this project. The whole of this place that you notice today is all jungle and run-down shops. But today, what we are witnessing is a complete transformation from jungle to city. I think His Excellency deserves a round of applause for this marvelous job. Beyond the brick and mortar, however, one of the problems of urbanization that we have seen all over the world here is that the presence of motor parks. Motor parks is where you breed a lot of bad guys, drugs, arms and ammunition, hooliganism, a whole lot of bad practices. Today I can say to you in Oyo State, with the completion of this project, this problem of motor parks will be eliminated in Oyo State. Over 42 motor parks are going to move into this terminal once it's open for operation and declared for commissioning today. Not only that, we have world-class facility for passengers here. By the time this project is open, it's our intention to handle over 15,000 passengers every day. And I can put that in context for you. All our airports in Nigeria handle only about 30,000 passengers. This modern bus terminal in Ibadan alone will do over 15,000 passengers every day. I think this is part of the vision that informed His Excellency to embark on this laudable project. We have world-class facilities here. Everything you see abroad, we have it in this facility. We have lifts, we have escalator, we have air conditioning system, we have public address system, control room, over 48 CCTV cameras are here. And I can say that this is not only a terminal, it's also a central business district. We have intersection between transportation and also commerce. Not only do we have the transport section, where you are sitting in the middle is where you have the market. We also have, right there, we have food courts. So people can come here, do transportation, do commerce, have food. We also have cinema here, because this is a new CBD that has been created by His Excellency in Oyo State. I think it deserves another round of applause, people of Oyo State. We have never seen this before. And I also there want to say to you that this is the largest bus terminal in Nigeria by land size. It's sitting on over 100,000 square meters of land between Terminal 1 and 2. And each of these terminals also can take over 1,000 buses. All between them, we have a pedestrian bridge that measures over 130 meters. None of these things was in existence 4 or 5 years ago. It takes visionary leaders. It takes somebody that is hardworking. It takes somebody that is looking into the future and want to take Oyo State from 19th century to 21st century to be able to embark on this kind of project. Your Excellency, I don't my heart for you. You have done very well, sir. I also will not leave this bed without commending the Ministry of Works and Housing, who have done a fantastic job supporting us from the beginning of this project. And another point that's worth noting here is the fact that this project has been executed by us, Planet Project Limited. We are a Nigerian company. This is a testament of what Nigerians can do if you give them the chance, if you give them the opportunity. We have demonstrated it in Oyo State, we have demonstrated in Lagos State, we have demonstrated in Abuja, we have done that in Ekiti and across the length and breadth of Nigeria. And I want to say to you, watch out for us. We are going to demonstrate this even in other parts of Africa. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Congratulations. You are the action governor. You have done a lot for us in Oyo State. Thank you. Actually, if you are in the mood to clap for him, I will also join you. Please clap again. He is people-oriented governor. Governor that listens. We are very proud of you in Oyo State. Thank you. Deputy Governor, well done, sir. You've done very well as well. I recognize you. The Speaker, I also recognize you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to be here this morning to witness Ibadan Central Bus Terminal today. I have always wondered that this area can be transformed to be like this. Well done, our governor. Thank you very much for commissioning this. When you first came to the park, you promised that you would do a lot of things, and you are keeping to all the things that you promised. May the good Lord continue to bless you and keep you very well for us. Royal fathers, I shouldn't forget you because my husband is a royal father as well. And I knew the Obosi, Olubadan, Oba Kola Daisy to recognize you all. Thank you for coming, and I hope that the people that will use this terminal will be extremely grateful to Oyo State. Thank you very much.
Atewo Momida. Please appreciate Baba. Chief Mrs. Dr. Onikebo Akande, OON, CON. This brings to mind, some time ago inside Aso Rock, that was Mr. President greeting a minister. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you. Your Excellency will receive another brief goodwill message, this time around from the judiciary and made to
welcome our father, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of the State, Deputy Governor, the Speaker, all the commissioners. Please pardon me if I get the protocols wrong. Well, I'm not surprised that we have such an edifice in Oyo State, in Ibadan for that matter, because we know that our governor is a forward-looking, focused person. And I wish to state that it's not only within Oyo State that he is doing this sort of development is going on also in the judiciary. And I want to appreciate His Excellency, and to say the truth, I'm not surprised. I congratulate you, and I've been made to understand that I have to be brief. But I know there was a day His Excellency was telling me that we like to talk too much, but that is how we earn our living. So on behalf of the good people of Oyo State, I join them to say congratulations and a big thank you to Your Excellency. And for Baba, please, it's always a pleasure to see you. Thank you very much.
Now, that was super brief. A round of applause for Honorable Justice Iyabo Yerima. You're welcome, Your Lordship. Another proud daughter of Baba. Thank you so much. Without further ado, the last goodwill message will come from the legislature. Please make welcome Mr. Speaker, Speaker of the House of Assembly, Chairman, Conference of Speakers in Nigeria, Right Honorable Edward Adebo Ogundoye. A round of applause for him.
Your Excellency, the former President of our great nation, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, who, by the way, is my father-in-law, as I just mentioned to him. I'm married to his daughter. Also here, the architect of the modern Oyo State, the president of our governor and our leader, Engineer Seyimakinde. Thank you for all the great works you've done recently and even in the past. Also, the deputy governor here, the best and the most loyal deputy governor in the whole of Nigeria, President Barrister Adebayo Lawal. Thank you so much for all your support for His Excellency in order for us to achieve all these great feats. And of course, the very powerful Chief Judge of Oyo State, Justice Iyabo Yerima. Mo tún wá fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí náà tún kí gbogbo àwọn orí adé Bẹ̀wànbí. Thank you so much for coming. Today's launch of the Ibadan Central Bus Terminal is a testimony to the good work that His Excellency and the vision that His Excellency has for the whole of Oyo State. I remember years back when we came for the flag off of this particular project, we had issues with people that were here in this particular spot, but there's no development without pain. And the pain of yesterday has come to fruition as the joy of today. So, my message from the legislature is very simply put to the people of Oyo State that regardless of the pains of development that we go through today, there is joy coming in the future. So therefore, I want to recommit our commitment to the executive that as long as the executive is bent and determined to bring development to Oyo State, we in the legislature will keep on giving the executive the support it does deserve under the leadership of Engineer Seyimakinde. Thank you for all what you've done, and we promise that we will continue being a solid rock behind your achievements. Thank you, and God bless you all.